Hey guys, I'm Tanya Curren of TV's Scaly Adventures, and I wanted to show you something really cool that you could have with you at all times to keep you safe. This is a fire stick, and I want to demonstrate it to you because this is something we have shared with our son so that he has in his backpack and his survival gear. Comes in a little plastic tube like this, and it's a ferro rod and magnesium. It's all in one. So you'll see the magnesium right here, and this part's the ferro rod, and it comes with this ceramic striker. What's great about this is this can be completely submerged in water and it will still work. You just pull it out, dry it off on your t-shirt or something that you have in the woods, and this still works. So that's important because having a fire to keep you warm and safe and even signal for help is very important when you are out hiking or camping or having your adventures. So all you do is take this ceramic striker and you strike it on the magnesium part a couple of times. And so below me, I'm just demonstrating in the air, but below me you would have a cotton ball if you had it with you, or even some dry leaves and twigs and things like that. You would just strike some of this on to that surface, and then you flip it over to the ferro rod part, and then you just flick this, and the sparks activate with that magnesium, and you'll see the sparks there. They will start a fire. It's really cool, really simple, really small, that will fit in your pocket or your backpack. So look for something like a fire stick when you're going on your adventures. We always want you to stay safe, and stay tuned to scalyadventures.com for more survival tips like these.